In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Roblox account manager is restricted on Roblox. Now first what you want to do is you want to open up your Roblox as usual, and then you want to head over to settings. And from in settings, you're going to head over to parental controls, and from in here you want to enable your PIN. So just enable it, and you can type a PIN code. I'm just going to use my password. There we go. Now my PIN code is on. Then what you want to do is you want to click on all ages, add allowed experiences. Boom. Just like that. Now it is allowed, and then what you can do is you can simply open it up as usual and it will work. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.